안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘은 치즈케이크 팩토리 가가지고 맛있게 먹을 거예요.
치즈케이크 공장.
치즈케이크 팩토리. 치즈케이크 공장. 빨리
공장이 뭔지
먹는다.
알아?
팩토리. 엄마, they're cakes. Look at that. Look at it. And they have slime. 그리고 구두개. They made it dry up and they carved out stars. Wow, I can't wait to try it. Yeah. Abba, I want to check out the cakes. That's key lime cheesecake. That's lemon meringue cheesecake. That's our cheesecake. Look at that. Toasted marshmallow s'mores galore. Oh, white chocolate caramel macadamia, whatever. These are all cheesecakes. Ooh, I like the chocolate cake. Daddy! Daddy! We made up a secret language that parents don't understand. Fu means TV, and le means now, and me means no, and B means yes. We're in, right? Are we in? I love the containers with the pepper and salt. Look at it. This is salt. Look at it. I love the smoothness of the glass. And look at it. You just spray it. And this is pepper. Pepper makes you sneeze a lot. Yeah. Kids menu. Here it is. Kids menu. 10 and younger. Kids roll 6 sliders. Kids Southern fried chicken sliders. Kids mini corn dogs. And there's a lot more. Kids grilled cheese sandwich. Kids fried chicken strips. Butter and parmesan. Marinda sauce. Alfredo sauce. Kids spaghetti with meatball. Kids macaroni and cheese. Kids pizza. Kids quesadilla. I don't know what that is. With chicken. Kids grilled chicken. Ooh. Desserts for kids. Kids mini scoop of ice cream. Kids mini hot fudge sundae. Kids strawberries. Let's see if we have more. And this. Ooh, it's heavier than fun. This is bread. They have some brown nut bread and a white kind of bread like that. Oh, cool. I really want to try them out later. And there's some butter to, put on. There is the butter. I thought it was cheese, but it turned out to be butter. Ooh, can we keep these? But can we keep the chun? Did she see us? Oopsies. Mama! Everyone, there is a window right over that thing, right? The wall. Only the front cover is this. Do you see it? I see the window. What window? I got it. I got the window like a toy. Daddy. 엄마, for dessert, can I have?
디저트는 이따가 먹어.
Can I have a scoop of ice cream? What are you saying? I can't hear you. How could you? I can see them on the top floating. Some butter.
Are you guys ready? Or
Yeah, we are.
What would you like?
Mommy, meatloaf spaghetti.
Okay, all right.
Meatloaf? It's
Can I
meatball.
get crispy pineapple chicken and shrimp?
And do you want white or brown rice?
Brown rice.
Brown? Alright.
And can I also get spaghetti and meatballs?
Alright.
And one salad. The grilled shrimp salad.
I'll get you guys a little more bread, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
And can I get the menu?
Yeah, of course.
Just one. Thank you. Thank you.
The bread's fantastic. Let's. I can have two. I'm gonna sit on it. No, just. Hi. And hi, I'm Army. But again. 안녕하세요.
미아도.
So this is how we're going to take this test, and this is what you need to learn.
Anya, we get to play with our new toys we got.
You're doing good this year?
Like other people, like in cartoons, we watch Johnny Test, and on Christmas, if he doesn't get any presents, he blames his parents and says, "You should have raised me better." And he gets in trouble every day, and he explodes or something.
진짜 그렇게 말했어?
And then the parents got so mad that their face blew up. I love Johnny Test. Johnny Test. Johnny Test.
야, 이거 샐러드 좀 먹을래?
No. I'll try it later, okay?
Yeah, he was trying to do what's his face right.
먹어봐. 진짜 맛있다, 새우. 맛있어. 메이플 어때?
It's the original movie. It's what started the series. Maria.
Remember when we came over there to the mall on Halloween?
그 따뜻한 음식을 먹으면 맛있지.
이런 거가 뭐야?
베이스.
I hate basil. Really? It tastes like rotten mint. Ew. Hoover.
I decided for Christmas I'm going to buy myself a gift. I'm going to buy 2 movies. What did you do with the war daddy?
이거 맛있지.
What did you do with the war daddy? That's with Big Sean, Barry Morgan.
I don't want any basil in my mouth. It tastes like
For your
mint.
health.
I don't like mint, and it tastes like mint. I like the basil. They eat mine. If you like it, you'll go, oh, can I have it? No, because it's yours. See?
And then Jerry
We'll try some meatballs.
typical unwanted,
Mm-hmm.
unwanted stories. He says, I have sisters. No! I mean, you want to talk about that? Yeah, it's Tom Cruise and Morgan Freeman.
Very suave.
Dizzy Bar.
And so it does not get it. So she's trying to run away from him, and he's like, "Are you with me? Because if you're with me, you're up here. If you're not, you're down here. With me, or not with me?"
With me?
Why did I have to wake up so early? I could have slept more.
You know, the watching. I'm like, you know what?
That's free. I watched it. It's Tom Cruise.
Let's start again.